Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this tutorial with Illustrator, we're going to learn some more options with window menu. On previous video, we learned from the graphic style up to info. So in this video, we're going to learn from layers up to this magic one. So let's start from the first option which we have right here, which is this layers. In Illustrator, we have this layer panel which I can manage all my designs. You can use the shortcut which is this F7, and if I want to see the layer panel, so I need to click right here. So as you can see, we have this layer right here. So from here with layer panel, I can toggle the visibility, and also I can toggle lock. I can lock my layer. I cannot do anything here. So now if I want to create a new layer in this layer panel, so simple, I'm going to click on this new. So as you can see, we have two different layers. I can create more. So different layer is available with different colors. If I want to lock any layer, if I want to put any object, first I'm going to put this object and I'm going to put it on this layer 3 or this layer 2. Now if I'm going to lock that, so only this layer is now locked, but these layers not locked. So I can draw anything. So this is on this layer 2, so it is locked. So I cannot select that by hitting selection tool. I cannot select that, but I can select this one, which is then this layer. If I'm going to click on this layer, and if I want to select this, I cannot because it is locked. But if I'm going to unlock that, so simple, I can select the object inside that layer. So I can create another layer which is called this sub layer under another layer which we can create. So as you can see, we have this create new sub layer. If you just click right here, so you can create only layers, not a sub layer. But if I want to create the sub layer inside this layer 4, so I'm going to click. So as you can see, we have the sub layer which is this layer 6 and under layer 4. And also I can just drag and drop my layer inside the other layers as well to make it a sub layer. Now this layer 3 is also a sub layer which is this under layer 4. Now if I'm going to click on this visibility, and also I can lock the layer 4. So under this layer 4, this layer 6, layer 3 is locked. So here we have this make release clipping mask, which we can use to clipping mask, and you can find the clipping mask a video tutorial in our channel. And also you can locate the object, and there we have this click for export. You can click for export as well. If you just double click here, you can give a new name to your layer. You can change the color, like I want to change the color to something like I'm going to go with magenta, or I'm going to click this brown color. And also there you can create select your custom color as well. So from here, as you can see, we have different options which I can lock. I can just check this print option, and also I can dim image, or I can show or preview. If you select this template, and you can set this dim image for. So why we use this dim image for? It's going to transparent the image which we can sketch on that. Like this one, if I'm going to bring the photo and I want to make a sketch from that photo, so simple, I'm going to select this template and hit OK. Now that you apply this, so now I can start working on my image by using the pen tool. So now I can sketch, but you need to go with other layer. Now I can sketch this one, not this one, this one. I think this is the shape that is under layer 4. Let me see this. Yes, this is the. Now if I click on this layer 5, I can use my pen tool. Now I can sketch this shape. If you want to sketch or you want to convert the image into a vector and you want to sketch, so this is how you can use it with your layer panel. You have to convert that to, you have to turn that dim image so you can convert from image to vector. You can set the opacity, like you can go with something like the 30%. Let me show you with a real image. I'm going to place this border, double click here, make it template, and we're going to make it 30%. Now I can use the pen tool so I can sketch that, but you need to click on the other layer so you can sketch this. So this is how you can use this dim image with this layer panel. So if you click here, you're going to get more options, like you can create a new layer, you can create a new sub layer, you can duplicate the layer, delete the layer, you can delete the hidden layers. You hide the layer, you can delete that. There is options for layer 5 if you click, so this is the options, so you can uncheck that, preview, okay. Now if you click here, so as you can see we have delete hidden layers. So we have make and release clipping mask, and here we have this enter isolation mode, and you can enter isolation mode, exit isolation mode, and locate object. You can merge selected, you can flatten artwork, you can click a new layer, you can release to layer sequence, and release to layer spell. If you click on this, so it's going to release like this one. Click release, as you can see it is released. I can click on release to layers, and there we have this reverse order and also templates, which you can turn on for this one, which is the selected layer is going to apply this template. You can click show all layers if you want to see all the layers, and preview all layers. You can unlock all layers, you can paste remember layers, and you are going to click on to paste the remember layers. You can click on panel options. If you click on panel options, so there we have the layers panel options. You can show layers only with row size. There we have this medium, let's go with the large, and also the thumbnail layer top level only, and you can uncheck this under thumbnail, and there is no groups. If there is groups or objects, you can check that or uncheck. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look. Let me change that to something like, when you uncheck this option, so you can see the groups. So this is how you can use all the options with a layer panel in Illustrator. So the next option here we have this libraries. If you want to see the libraries, as you can see next to the layers, you can find the libraries. And there we have the links. If you click on links, so there's only one link, which is this border. We just placed this, so let me select that, and also I'm going to uncheck this template from, and we're going to delete this. If there is no link is available from like this EPS and you didn't place that in your artboard, we cannot see anything like this name, format, color, space, and more options which is available in this panel. And if I want to see the links, so first I need to place something. So I need to go to the file, and here I need to click on place. So you can use the shortcut for that as well, which is this shift plus control plus P. Let's place something so I can show you the options with links. So here, as you can see, we have the name for this file, we have the format. So the same thing, links, if you click right here, so the same options you can find right here. What with this panel, you're going to get more options. Like if there is more links available, let's try to add one another. So I'm going to place, which is this bottle vector. So I'm going to place this as well right here. Now we have two different links available. For each, you are going to get the information like this name, this format, and color space, and this PPI, this dimensions, as you can see. And if you go next, so you're going to go with the next link which is available. So the same options which is right here. As you can see, we have the links, we have relink, we have all the options available from here, and also from this you can just click on this bottle vector logo design name, and you're going to get all the options. So the same option, as I said, you're going to get right here. So we have the relink from CC libraries if you want to. So we have a relink, and you have the go to link. You can go to the link and you can update the link if there is any changes to the original file. So if you click on this update link, so you can see the updated one in your artboard. So if you want to edit original, simple click here if you want to edit original. And with this panel, you are going to get all the options from here as well, like this relink from CC library, relink, go to link, edit original, update link, license image, placement options. If you click on placement options, as you can see, we have transforms. You can change that, something like this file dimensions, this proportions fill, when we have proportion fit, and this bones, and we have difference. Like you can for placement option, you can change that. I'm going to select this one. As you can see, have this. Can go with this one. As you can see, we have the bones and we have this transform. So here we have this embed image as well. Also, you're going to get the other options like this reveal in bridge, show in explorer. If you want to explorer, show in explorer, so you can click at this option. You can link file info. There we have the show all, show missing, show modify, show embedded, show damaged, and you can sort. And we have the panel options. If you click, so there we have the difference. If you want to go with something like this, you can show DC, S transparency, interactions as well. So I'm going to click, so it's going to launch the links in this panel. So this is how you can use this option. And here the last option in window is this magic wand. If you click, so magic wand, what is actually magic wand? Let me show you. So this is called the magic wand. You can find it in this toolbar. And if I want to select any object from a group, let's try to first make a group. We're going to use the shortcut Control A and Control G to group it. Now if I want to select anything from this group, so I'm going to use this magic wand, which I'm going to select from. As you can see, I can select this one, which I can change the color for. So in a group, I can use this tool to select any of object, and I can change the color. I can do a lot of editing for that. I can add a stroke for that. So with magic wand panel, you're going to get the fill tolerance. You can set the tolerance when you want to select any object from a group. And also there we have the stroke color. If you select that, for that also you can set the tolerance. There we have the stroke width, which you can set the tolerance for, and also the opacity and blending mode. If the group is I've already had this opacity effect or blending mode, which is applied already, so you can use the options. You can check and you can set the tolerance for opacity, for blending mode, for a stroke width, for a stroke color, and fill color. By default, this fill color is only available, but if you cannot select the stroke with this magic wand inside a group, so you need to check this option with magic wand panel, like this stroke color, a stroke width, and also you need to check this opacity and blending mode. If you are going to use this blending mode and you want to select this blending mode from a group with this magic wand, make sure you check this option. And if you click here, so you have the hide stroke options, you can hide transparency options, and you can reset, and you can use all the layers. If you hide, so it's going to hide the stroke options. You can hide transparency options as well. So this is how we can use this magic wand panel with Illustrator in window menu. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to use these options with window menu, like this layer, libraries, links, and magic wand. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.